Hello people, my name is Oseriwa and today I'll be teaching you how to make sweet Ofada sauce, our Ayamase sauce. Now we're going to be bleaching our palm oil for 40 minutes. That is the first step. You cover it, you wait for it to turn color just like this, and then it's ready to start cooking. So I'm going to go in with my Iru, that is locust beans. This make the food very tasty. I'm going to wash my dried catfish with hot water and I'm going to be putting it in next into the hot oil that I bleached. Next thing, we're going to wash and blend some scotch bonnet, some red bell pepper, onions, and green bell peppers. I like this combination. You don't have to use exactly how many I used. You can just go with your guts or your cooking count. Next, I'm going to try to strain it because we don't want to use the water from the bell peppers. We want to fry with just the base. Now we're going to start frying the base in the hot oil, bleached oil. We're going to fry this base so well. It's already smelling good. We're going to put some ginger paste. We're going to be putting some garlic paste as well. And we're going to turn it. I'm telling you, the kitchen smells amazing right now. Next thing, I'll be going with my Ajinomoto and also my Spice City because I love Spice City. Next, we're going with our Onga and then we'll turn. The kitchen is starting to smell so good at this point. I'll be putting in my Maggi next to give it that extra flavor because I love building flavors. One thing with this dish or cooking in general is to build a lot of flavors as you cook. I'm going to be adding my crayfish at this point. The whole kitchen, I'm telling you, at this point is already smelling so damn good. Next, I'm going to be going in with the proteins that I already baked on 350 degrees in the oven. I'm going to mix everything up and turn. I'm going to fry this sauce for as long as I can till the oil starts to come back on top. I'm going to be puncturing some boiled eggs and throwing them in the stew just so that it can take in the flavor, soak in the flavor of the Ofada Ayamase sauce. This is pretty much standard procedure if you want to have a well stewed boiled egg in your Ayamase sauce. Food is practically done at this point. I'm just going to fry it up a little bit more. I let the egg soak in the juices. At this point, the kitchen is smelling good. I'm going to go up and dish myself a nice plate of hot white basmati rice and some Ayamase or fada sauce. I want you to try my recipe and next time please leave me a review of how you think your food went.